So this is how to deal with the challenge acquire error notification that pops up on Instagram. So when you're scrolling through Instagram and you see the challenge acquired error, there's two different things that you can do. First, it's probably an issue with your network or how Instagram interacts with your network. So you can go and swipe down and toggle off your Wi-Fi and switch over to cellular data. If you're on cellular data, then you can go ahead and try to connect to a Wi-Fi network instead. Once you've done that, let's close out of the Instagram app and we'll open it back up and it should be fixed. If that doesn't fix the issue, the next step that we'll do is that we're going to go into our settings, tap on general management, tap reset, and then we're going to hit reset network settings. So this resets your DNS, your IP address, and all of those things that are causing that network error so that when you try to get into your Instagram app, everything should be up and running. If you have any further questions, then leave them in the comments below. But if this helped you out, then leave a like and subscribe.